Hey guys, it's Hopping Snake, and I'm in my parents' room right now, and we had a big blizzard, and I'll show you how it is. So you can see all that snow right there, and this is my yard. As you can see that big, slope thing. Looks like dust, like from a desert. And also a little tree right there is still surviving. And the table's right there. And I bet it's cold, and I bet it's really deep. So now we'll go and see the street view from my room. Okay, this is from my room. This is the street view. And there's 2 feet of snow right in front of me. And that's the bushes. And it was windy before, but now it really isn't. And you can see that fire hydrant right there is really covered. And I bet there's even more snow there, so we'll see when I come outside. Okay, this is from our living room. And you can see the table right there again. And I bet it's like 5 feet right there, or maybe 5.5 even, because there's a lot. And out of these 6 houses right here, because there's 6, I think we have the deepest. I don't know why. And then there's some icicles right there. You can't really see, but there's a couple right there. And that's pretty much it for it now. I'll go outside and show you too. Okay, so bye. Okay, hey guys, this is how tall it is. So that's pretty much the yardstick, and it's way taller than the yardstick. And we're gonna have to shovel this whole entire thing, and it's gonna take us long, but it's gonna probably be fun. So, yeah, I'll show you the view. And it's probably 4.5 feet. Not, I mean 4 feet, cause yeah, it's probably 4 feet. So yeah, bye!